If you're like me and are a little design challenged, I might just change your life today, introducing a new tool that takes any piece of content and turns it into a beautifully designed presentation, doc, PDF, or thing you can share with a client, a marketing person, your existing team, or investors. Hey, I'm Craig Hewitt. Welcome back to 100 Days of AI, and today we're going to be talking about Gamma. So it may be that you've seen Gamma around. You have the really smart kind of sharing option where they can share documents, kind of like Canva does. But to me, Gamma takes things up a notch when it comes to native AI functionality in creating great looking documents for you to share and publish online, just increase your thought leadership and just create great looking stuff. Because I think, especially maybe in the days of AI, great looking design is really, really important, and Gamma just makes it super easy. So we're going to dive in. Let's start our free trial. We're going to sign up with Google. And it's asking us, how do we want to use this? So we're going to use this for work, and I'll say that I'm in marketing, and it's just me. And I want to turn, and it's saying, like, what do you plan to do? So I'm going to create presentations. I'm going to turn my notes into presentations, and maybe I'll generate images. I'm not really sure yet, to be honest. How did I hear about it from? Okay, so how do you want to do this? So it's got three options here. One, I can paste in text. The other is I can generate from a prompt, and we're going to do both of these. And then the last one we're going to do first is import an existing doc and have it turn it into a presentation. So this will be pretty cool. Okay, so we're going to click this. And we want to upload this file. So I have here this AI agents playbook from HubSpot. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this to my computer and upload it back to Gamma. I probably could, I can import it from this URL. Okay, we'll just do that. We'll go back, copy this URL, and paste it in here. So HubSpot's a fantastic marketing company. If you ever want to look at like how to do content right, HubSpot is the way to go. And this is already a really great looking asset. This is from Marketing Against the Grain, probably my favorite marketing podcast. They're all in on AI and really a big inspiration for what I'm doing here. But you can see this is all about AI, how to use agents, right? Really great looking stuff. But we're like, hey, how can we take what's here and just make it better or different? And we're wanting to create a presentation. We put the URL for this doc in here, and we're just going to let Gamma go and see what it does. Okay, so it's kind of ingesting this content, and it's asking us like, hey, what kind of style do you want here? So I'm going to make it a little concise because this original document is 42 pages. I would say, hey, let's get this down to 15 or so if we can. So we're going to use the condense option here. I want it to be concise, not minimal, because that'll probably cut off too much. And what kind of style do we want? I'm going to say incandescent, because that's kind of consistent with the Castos colors. We'll use AI images. We'll let it auto-select the option. That's fine. And yeah, illustrative. I like photorealistic better, so we'll go with that. Oh, I see. Let's see, 10 cards. Why can't, add my content. Hey, what the heck? Content, source material. So we're uploading the file. So I downloaded it from HubSpot. We're uploading it back here to ask Gamma to kind of consider all of the content from this. We tried importing it from the URL and it didn't work for some reason. So let's just see if this works better. Okay, interestingly, importing it from a URL didn't really work. Uploading the file definitely did work. And so it's got all of the context of all 42 pages. And we're going to smush this into 10 cards. I think a card is probably like a slide. And we're just going with all the defaults over here. On the right sidebar, we're asking it to be concise. The theme, I liked the theme to be shadow. That's cool. And I like photorealistic images better. And let's just see what happens. Okay, so it's creating this on the fly as we go. And it's creating really pretty straightforward slides so far. But you can just imagine if you're like, hey, I'm a student, I'm creating content that slide deck on something I know nothing about. This might be a really great way to go from a 0 to 1. Again, like that's the theme of a lot of this is like, hey, this is not going to be PhD level as much as Sam Altman tries to say that AI is PhD level. It really isn't quite yet. Like it really needs a lot of hand-holding and guidance from us. But it is taking us from like nothing and the blank page problem to a pretty interesting slide deck here in just a couple clicks of a button. Great, so it's all done. It said I made my first Gamma. Uses cards to contain your content. Cards are similar to slides or pages or sections, but with zero limitations, you can grow and shrink your fit your content. Great. Blocks are editable. Awesome. Okay, and the confetti. Okay, so AI agents unleash playbook, right? A constant once, like, okay, so, okay, hey, maybe you're like, hey, this is wrong. You just come in here and edit this, right? AI agents are the future, just like Wall-E, right? You can say whatever you want. And if you're like, hey, I don't really like this image, you could probably come over here and give it a different style, right? You can say, hey, make this like line art. Generate. Incredible. Yeah, I love this. This is so cool. And I love it even does like the gradient over here. Really interesting, right? So the state of AI agents in 2025. It's like, hey, it's probably using an older model here because it doesn't get the words on the screen. So it's probably not using 4.0 from ChatGPT. But it's pretty good, right? So, where would I use Gamma? I would use Gamma in creating the beginnings of a doc. Maybe you have like a blog post and you want to create a slide deck from it. Maybe you've taken something from YouTube. This is one of my favorite tricks actually, is you take content from YouTube and you learn from it and create other content from that, maybe from even another creator. So you might take, hey, I'm going to take the entire transcript from YouTube and say, hey, create a slide deck for me of that. And then you can present that from your own perspective, and you'd come in and tweak the language and the copy here. Maybe you do something like that. Maybe you would upload a P&L if you're like a financial analyst. You upload the P&L and say, hey, give me the highlights of this so you could present this to a client. There's all sorts of things you could do, right? And this is amazing, right? So like this from a 42-page doc in about 2 minutes. And then there's everything you can do over here. You can do images, you can do layouts, you can do diagrams, graphs, and charts. And then from here, you can like go to present mode, right? Amazing. And if you want, you can share this with someone. And this is where it gets really viral, is you create a piece of content that you think is amazing. Instead of sharing just a doc, you could share a Gamma file that elevates your brand just that little bit more to where you're perceived as a thought expert because you went to the little bit of extra effort. Instead of just typing up a Google Doc and sharing that link, you put it in here and create a slideshow presentation out of it. It used to be that to do that in PowerPoint or slides or whatever it's called on Mac would take a lot of work and send it to a designer and all this kind of crap. But now you can literally plop it in there, give it your brand guidelines, pick a theme, pick an illustration style, and then you can just share, right? And people can only view this. So it's like read only. So this is where AI is so powerful, is taking something that used to take you a whole bunch of time, probably hiring a freelancer or something, and giving you the power back to be able to create this stuff by yourself in a few minutes and then tweak it from there. Because again, AI is not going all the way to the goal line right now. It's going to the red zone. It's going to the 10 or 20 yard line. And then you got to take it that last few steps. And here you can, right? You can embed this on your website. So this is Gamma. I really suggest checking it out if you're like, hey, I want to create great looking presentation materials from another piece of material that I have. It's definitely worth checking it out. I'm Craig Hewitt. This is 100 Days of AI. If you're enjoying this, please like, subscribe, smash the bell. Drop a comment in below with what you want to hear more about. Are you enjoying the N8N automation stuff? Are you enjoying the quick kind of glimpses and deep dives into tools like this or V0? I have upcoming ones on Perplexity. I'm going to go deeper on Manus. Notebook LM, all these kinds of great tools that like many of us have heard of, and we haven't really dove into them in depth. I have all sorts of content around that planned, but I want to hear from you. What do you want more of? Drop a comment in below, and I'll do an entire video about it. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time.